Shut up and sit down.
This road seems to have a lot of artwork, a lot of sculptures.
You're standing there like a statue, so I decided to ask you, do you wanna dance? And then you took my hand and you swung me around the grand old ballroom. You said, it's nice to meet you, now let's get married.
So we finally made it to the trail. It was about 4 miles of city driving from the parking garage we parked at. But we're here, and even though there's a highway right over there, there's plenty of trees and shrubbery to shade us and block us. So it's kind of like we're in the middle of the woods with a loud sound of traffic. Well, I hit a bit of a snag. My wheels getting buried in this gravel. So now I'm going to have to push my way through, hopefully. Maybe not. I'm moving. Sliding all over the place, dovetailing. I made it. My wife's Trike is so light and she's got wider wheels that she just went right over it. We've been on the Canal trail for a couple miles now, and for the first time we have a sight of the canal. This is the Delaware-Raritan Canal. I guess it connects the Delaware River with maybe the Raritan River, I don't know, Raritan Valley. We're on the towpath right now. This is where they had donkeys and mules pulling the barges along the water. We found this nice little rest area to stop and have a protein bar. So we're on the trail. This is the first time we couldn't get through. We had to go around one, but we can't go around this one, so we had to get under this one. So is it gonna fit? Hers fits. I had to make some adjustments on mine. So we are crossing the Delaware River. We just went over to Pennsylvania, so we're heading back to New Jersey. This is the spot where George Washington, in the middle of the night, took his men across the icy cold river on December 25th, 1776. He crossed over from Pennsylvania into New Jersey, near Trenton, to launch a surprise attack against the Haitians. And they won. They were victorious. It was one of the most famous battles of the Revolutionary War. That painting of George Washington standing abow a boat, crossing over icy waters, that's right here.
It starts with an itch and a tingle, and then it builds and expands. And suddenly, all at once, my legs won't let me stand. I scratch till my fingers go numb, but my skin never bleeds. A silent accomplice waits and feeds when I'm asleep. There's something that lives inside me.
So we're a little more than 2/3 of the way there. We got about 12 miles to go before we're at our campsite and the end of this trail. We're actually going to cross over the Delaware into Pennsylvania and take the towpath on the other side for a bit to get to the campsite because we're camping in PA. My knees are doing okay. They're a little sore. My wife's knee is sore too, so this is the furthest she's ever ridden a bike in her life. I think she's having a lot of fun. A lot of beautiful views of the Delaware River between the trees. So I have my drone with me, but it turns out this entire pathway is a New Jersey state park, and New Jersey state parks don't allow drones. We are entering Bulls Island Recreational Area. It's part of the New Jersey State Park. used to be campgrounds until one of these trees fell on a camper and they realized the root systems weren't that sturdy and a lot of the trees could fall at any point. So now they don't allow camping, which is a shame, because if they allowed camping, we'd be camping here and we'd be done for the day.
Everything is new again, walking with the permagrin, head so high. I'm back with you and all is right. Shaking on the apple tree, ticking off the honeybees, watch them fly. It's just like we never said goodbye. And you're like a worn out shirt that's soiled with dirt, but fits me like a glove. I will not let you let me down. I will not let you let me down. This time, this is my final climb. Time and time and time again, latherings and latherings, out and in. My head is dizzy from the spin. Breaking up and breaking down, making up and making out, round and round. I've learned to get up from the ground, but this time still.
He's trying to close the lock.
Doesn't work.
It's turning something, keep going.
It's not turning in.
No, it is, it's turning something, keep going.
It's down there. It's not hooked with in it. See, it's not locked.
The first one didn't work, so now she's trying to close it this way. Nothing's moving.
The ditch. I'm altruistic, masochistic. You just scratch my itch.
We've rafted over this.
I will not let you let me down. I will not let you let me down. This time, this is my final climb.
So we got about 8.5 miles to go. Snoopy is having a hard time riding, so we were prepared for that.
That's pretty neat.
Well, Violet is a pretty girl. Her legs are long and her hair is curled and her smile's been known to make grown men go stupid.
This is interesting.
But if you look below the skin and you find out where that lady's been, you'll be sure to stay the hell away from Cupid.
Violet wants it her way or the highway, but she'll never stay. She's on her way. Violet's going home.
We're back in time when the story began and Violet found herself a man who wouldn't try to boss that girl around.
Yep. They don't realize that they just need to get off the road. There we go. Get off the road.
Well, Billy was a football jock who
Like we're
really
just about
had a
there.
massive clock. She threw him out because it ran too quick. Well, Skip was just a good old guy. They fell in love in mid-July. She got rid of him in August because his name was Skip.
Violet wants it her